High heels clicking on linoleum, fingernails tapping on the table. Say sit up and eat your dinner. Electric mixer, mashing potatoes, screwing with the TV reception. But this is my own house, I'll do as I damn please in it. My own house, I'll do as I damn please in it. It's my own house, I do as I damn please in it. Calling my name to come on home, as fast as my legs could carry me. Giggling until tears ran down her cheeks. A gulp of cold beer and then a loud belch. The disapproving. No one makes that sound anymore, and that's too bad. This is my own house, I do as I damn please in it. My own house, I do as I damn please in it. My house, I do as I damn please in it. Nat King Cole records on her stereo, but when he died she put them all away, 'cause hearing his voice just broke her heart. And I never understood it till John Prine died. Don't ask what time dinner is, you know dinner is at halftime. Your shoes match your bag, your gloves match your hat. Laughing and clapping at the crack of the bat, cheering, come on fellas, come on fellas. Husbands in cars, husbands in cars. Sisters all have husbands in cars. What did they know? What did they know? This is my own house, I do as I damn please in it. It's my own house, I do as I damn please in it. And muted to blotter lipstick. Bingo night, shout and shake 'em up, 'cause she was sure that game was rigged, and the priest was in cahoots. We hear a knock at the door, and she declares, if the Pope himself came all the way from Rome, you just tell him I'm not home. And if they're talking about me, they're leaving some other devil alone. Husbands in cars, husbands in cars. My sisters all have husbands in cars, so they don't know, but this is my own house, I do as I damn please in it. My own house, I do as I damn please in it. Apricot brandy just before bed, a scoop of ice cream from across the street. It's a Sunday night treat, but then the lady in the store said she liked our curtains. How does she know what window is ours? This is my own house, I do as I damn please in it. It's my own house, I do as I damn please in it. My own house, I do as I damn please in it.